Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make okra soup for my baby, slimy soup. This is okra and that's what I'm gonna use for this soup. So it has two sizes and I'm using the smaller one to grate this okra, because if you use the bigger one it's going to guys, if you have not tried this soup for your baby, try it and see. Try this soup. My baby loves this soup so much. Very sweet. The soup is very sweet. I'm telling you, if you try it yourself, there is an adult, you'll be tempted to. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you? Make I kill goat for you. I beg, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. So after grating it, I'm going to set it aside. Okay, this is crayfish. I'm using crayfish for this, and I'm using also and stockfish. Okay, but the stockfish I'm just going to cook it and use the water. So this is what I'm using. I'm using crayfish, I'm using pepper, using fish, using dry fish, and chicken. The other fish is ice fish. That's what I'm using. So I'm going to start cooking right now. I've blended all of them. I'm pouring the blended stuff into the pot, and I'm going to add the stockfish water, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red oil, and I'm using just 1 seasoning cube, and then I'm adding my salt. So guys, you need to allow it to cook. You can add extra water, allow it to cook for some time before introducing the okra vegetable. Okay, so at this point I forgot that I kept it in the fridge while I was doing some things, so it was hard for me to stir it. Guys, I beg you in the name of God, whatever you're cooking for your baby, allow it to cook very well. Okay, this is not an adult eating it. The one you see, if you just put the okra, bring it out because of the vitamins. You can get multivitamins for your baby, So hello, are you feeling this? Are you feeling this? This is very delicious. Guys, try this out and you will love it.